Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace of Almighty Allah be with every one of us. Amen. Inshallah, on our lesson 2 of week 8, our topic is parenthesis, also called brackets. What are parentheses? These are two upright curved punctuation marks identified with the symbols that you can see displayed on the screen, the one highlighted. One of the symbols is called parenthesis, while both are referred to as parentheses. I believe you can see the spelling different. The singular is different from the plural. Now, the main purpose of parentheses is to introduce or mark up additional information or comments that are added to the primary message in a sentence. Thus, the additional information may be omitted without any wreckage to the message. This is the illustrative message. When you have one of the curve, it is parenthesis. When you have the two together, that's the plural we are talking about, which is parenthesis. You can see the difference between the spelling. Now, the uses of parenthesis. Parentheses are used to mark off additional information or comments in a sentence. This was mentioned earlier. It is the number one use. Examples. Example 1, A. Advice, open your brackets, spelled with letter C, close your brackets now, is the noun form, while advice, open your brackets, spelled with letter S, close your brackets, is its verb counterpart. You would observe that without the information contained in the brackets, it still makes sense when you say advice is the noun form. Advice is the noun form, while advice is its verb counterpart. But there is a need to include the information in the brackets to give us more elaborate meaning, to elaborate more, to give us more information, detailed information for better understanding. So when you omit all that is contained in the bracket, it doesn't damage or cause wreckage to the primary message intended. My father. B now, example B. My father advised us that honesty. My father advised us that honesty, open your brackets, which many youths lack now, close your brackets, is the best policy. You could as well say, my father advised us that honesty is the best policy. But you want to give some information. That's why it's included. It has to be included in the brackets. Now, example C, the Nigerian Civil War. Open your brackets. We have the 1967 to 70 Civil War, that is 1967 to 1970 Civil War, close the brackets, which destroyed the basis for true unity in the country. The Nigerian Civil War, open your bracket, the 1967 to 1970 Civil War destroyed the basis for true unity in the country. You can as well say the Nigerian Civil War destroyed the basis for true unity in the country. you omitting what you have in the brackets here doesn't cause any damage to the primary message. What has been included in the brackets only gives some more message. It's fleshing the message you have in the sentence. Also, parentheses are used to enclose numbers which indicate enumerated items within a sentence. Example: the following factors are responsible for the rise of terror in Africa. 1. You can see the 1 is enclosed with parentheses. We have 1, poverty among the working class. 2, with its parenthesis also, lack of modern security gadgets. 3, also with parenthesis, rise in religious fundamentalism. Also, parentheses are used to mark off certain publishing information about authors. Example: brackets open, we have Desmond, 1972, p.24. Desmond here is the title, the author's name, followed by comma. Then the 1972 here is the year of publishing, the year the book we are talking about is being published, the book written by Desmond. The P stands for page, and since it's an abbreviation, full stop is required after the P, that's why it is there, followed by the number, the page number we are talking about. Then bracket closed. That's going to be a discussion on parentheses. I pray Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helps us in our zeal to enrich our knowledge and understanding. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.